Greetings everyone, I'm Shubham from MATLAB Helper. In this video, I will show you how you can draw a flower in MATLAB. For this purpose, we will use the surf command and color map in MATLAB. Surf creates a three-dimensional surface plot. The function plots the values in matrix Z as height above a grid in the xy plane, defined by x and y. The function also uses Z for the color data, so the color is proportional to height. A color map is a matrix of values between 0 and 1 that define the colors for graphics, objects such as surface, image, and patch objects. MATLAB draws the object by mapping data to colors in the color map. Color maps can be any length but must be 3 columns wide. Each row in the matrix defines one color using an RGB triplet. An RGB triplet is a red, green, and blue color triplet. We will also keep the grid and axis off so that our image becomes as clean as possible. The surf function will use these mathematical functions of x and y. We will also modify these two equations in the code. This is the code for designing the flower in MATLAB. Notice that I have used these additional equations. So what happens here can be understood here with a simple 3D plot. As you can see, we are plotting several lines here using surf. We create a surface between these lines. Let's run the program and check the result. Isn't this plot beautiful? To appreciate its beauty, let's rotate this graph. As you can see, we have almost replicated the natural shape of the rows, though we can never perfectly copy it. Do you want to see more interesting stuff like this? Then check out our Fun with MATLAB playlist, where we keep showing some interesting topics for you. Do make sure to check those videos and enroll in our free course on MATLAB fundamentals. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our feature. Happy MATLABing!